In today's digital landscape, increasing traffic, acquiring subscribers, and boosting daily sales are shared objectives for businesses. A proven method to achieve these goals is through ebooks. Whether as a compelling lead magnet, offering free reports or white papers, or as a Kindle book for sale, digital books remain a potent tool for driving traffic and sales across diverse industries. However, there's a significant challenge. Creating ebooks can be a cumbersome process fraught with complications. The trifecta of writing, formatting, and designing can consume days or even weeks. Add to this the steep learning curve and the need to master several expensive tools before publishing, and ebook creation can quickly turn into an ordeal. But there's a new solution on the horizon, and it's poised to change the game. It's called Sqribble. Sqribble Ebook Creator is a cloud-based software designed to simplify the process of creating ebooks, reports, and white papers quickly and effortlessly. It offers over 50 professionally designed templates covering various niches and a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor with a wide range of elements for comprehensive customization. This tool allows users to generate ebooks without the need to type any content manually. I'll explain how Sqribble works and discuss its features. How does Sqribble Ebook Creator software work? Sqribble is a cloud-based application, so there's no need for installation. Once you log in, you'll find a user-friendly dashboard with a templates option. Clicking on it reveals 50 eye-catching templates categorized by niche. You can preview these templates to select the one that suits your business or audience. Once you've chosen a template, you'll have a demo ebook with a table of contents, page numbers, and demo images. The next steps involve adding and formatting content. Sqribble offers various content options, including writing from scratch, grabbing content from URLs, copying and pasting, uploading Word files, or selecting from its library of 1,000 articles in multiple niches. To explore how Sqribble works, let's dive into a practical example. Suppose you're managing a smart home blog at www.onesmartgroup.com and you're keen to create an ebook. Sqribble comes to your rescue. Upon logging in, you're presented with a selection of ebook templates, each tailored to different categories. Your task is to choose a template that aligns with your niche or topic. Once you've made your template selection, you can preview your ebook's layout by clicking View. This step allows you to visualize how your ebook will appear, setting the stage for content insertion. About the creator of Sqribble. Sqribble was developed by Adeel Chowdhry, a renowned internet entrepreneur and best-selling author with over a decade of experience. He has previously created worldwide hits like Pixel Studio FX, which sold tens of thousands of units globally. Adeel Chowdhry is known for delivering high-quality professional solutions, and Sqribble upholds this reputation. Sqribble provides multiple content sourcing options. Grab content from a URL. This feature lets you insert any URL, and Sqribble automatically extracts and inserts the web page's text into your book, excluding HTML code. This method is efficient and enables you to utilize expert content with proper credits, even in areas where you lack expertise. Start from ground zero. This straightforward option enables you to type your content directly into the software, akin to working in a Word document. Manual copy/paste. You can copy content from any source and paste it into the ebook. Sqribble will format and lay out the content professionally. Upload a Microsoft Word file. If you have content in a Word document, Sqribble can extract it, eliminating any code or formatting issues. Start from article collection. Sqribble boasts a vast library of private label articles that you can use freely without crediting authors or linking to the source. This feature expedites content creation. Following content insertion, you enter the editing interface where you have a wide array of customization options. You can resize text, reposition content, edit text directly, add media, insert links, create lists, incorporate call-to-action sections, introduce new pages, and much more. This versatility grants you the power to fine-tune individual pages or the entire ebook. One notable feature is the Themes option, allowing you to change the ebook's color theme and font style with a single click, providing your ebook with a fresh appearance. Once your ebook is ready for publishing, simply click the Generate ebook button in the top right corner of the screen. You can then preview your ebook in a browser or save it as a PDF file. Features of Sqribble Ebook Creator software. Some key features that make Sqribble stand out include 100% cloud-based. Sqribble is entirely cloud-based, making it accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. There's no need for installations or downloads. User-friendly interface. The dashboard is easy to navigate, even for beginners, with options like home and templates readily available. 50 templates in multiple niches. Sqribble provides a variety of templates designed by experts to cover nearly every category, and users can also start from scratch. Unlimited pages. Users can create ebooks with an unlimited number of pages. Auto Content Writer. Updated Sqribble includes an auto content writer feature that can generate ebook content quickly. Themes in multiple niches. The software offers themes tailored to different categories for ebook design. Other features. Optimized for all devices. Sqribble optimizes ebooks for various devices, ensuring a smooth user experience on mobile, desktop, and more. Stunning designs. Users can create visually appealing ebooks with Sqribble's design features. Content Engine. Access to a database of 1,000 articles from multiple categories for content ideas. Client Database. A place to organize client information based on pending, delivered, or ongoing projects. Pros and cons of Sqribble Ebook Creator. Pros. User-friendly interface, suitable for beginners. Diverse templates and customization options. Automatic content creation for time savings. Interactive features like flipbooks and video embedding. Automation for table of contents, page numbering, and header/footer design. Easy to use, glitch-free operation. Unlimited use with a one-time payment. Abundance of high-quality ebook templates. Professional page layouts. Automatic content insertion. Automatic table of contents generator. 3D cover creator available through upsells. Flipbook creator available through upsells. Free commercial agency access, including a website. Cons. Some desirable features are locked behind upsells, 3D covers, and flipbook feature. When inserting content from a URL, you must cite the source URL and / or credit the original content author if it's not your own, compliance with copyright laws. The pricing. Currently, Sqribble offers a promotional price of $67, down from the regular $197 fee. The base version caters to the needs of most users. Additionally, premium templates and add-ons are available for purchase. Limited design customization for advanced users. Reliance on pre-existing content may limit originality. Some learning curve, especially for new users. Requires an internet connection to access online-only software. Lacks certain advanced features found in professional design software. Pricing. Sqribble is available for a one-time fee of $67, usually $197, with no monthly charges. There's also a 7-day trial option for $3. Is Sqribble right for you? Sqribble is an invaluable asset for those involved in creating lead magnets or selling ebooks. It can save considerable time and money by eliminating the need for freelancers for design or writing tasks. Moreover, Sqribble suits small to medium-sized businesses, particularly self-publishers and information marketers. Freelancers or agencies working with clients to produce professional ebooks can also benefit significantly. Sqribble even includes commercial rights and offers a ready-made agency website as a bonus, enabling freelancers to offer ebook creation services to clients at a competitive price. Frequently asked questions about Sqribble. What if I'm not satisfied with the results? Sqribble generally meets users' expectations, enabling them to create unlimited ebooks and foster strong customer relationships. However, if you're not satisfied with Sqribble, you're covered by a 30-day 100% money-back guarantee. You can request a refund without any questions asked, and every penny of your investment will be returned. Do I need to pay a monthly fee? Unlike many other services that require monthly payments amounting to hundreds of dollars, Sqribble operates on a one-time fee basis. You can obtain Sqribble for just $67, without any recurring monthly charges. Additionally, if you wish to explore Sqribble's capabilities before committing, you can access the full suite for 7 days by paying only $3. Where can I purchase Sqribble? To purchase Sqribble, it's crucial to visit the official website directly. Due to potential duplications and scams, it's recommended to access the official website through any of the links provided in this review. This ensures a secure and authentic purchase experience. How many ebooks can I create? Sqribble offers the freedom to create an unlimited number of ebooks without the need for additional payments. For added convenience, users can utilize the content engine to expedite the ebook writing process. Final thoughts. Sqribble Ebook Creator offers an affordable and efficient solution for generating high-quality ebooks, reports, and more. Its user-friendly interface, extensive template library, and automation features make it accessible to both beginners and experienced users. With a 30-day money-back guarantee, trying Sqribble is a low-risk way to enhance your ebook creation capabilities. Sqribble stands as a powerful ebook creation tool, setting itself apart from others in the market. Packed with everything necessary to produce professional-looking books, reports, white papers, and more in mere seconds, Sqribble is an invaluable asset for ebook publishers. Its cloud-based nature eliminates the need for software downloads, making it a seamless and efficient solution for both occasional ebook creators and those constantly generating lead generation reports. Sqribble can save users hours of effort and potentially thousands of dollars in freelance fees in the months and years to come. In conclusion, Sqribble receives my full seal of approval as a game-changer in the ebook creation landscape. If you're interested in exploring Sqribble further, you can download it below and embark on your ebook creation journey. Happy creating!